Hello, my name is Pharmacist Michael, and on my TikTok lives, I get a lot of questions about Buspar. So today, we're going to dive into the world of mental health, and we're going to talk about this medication. You might have heard of Buspirone. It's a unique medication often prescribed for anxiety. We'll be covering its benefits, possible side effects, how it works, who should not take it, and some special considerations to keep in mind. So let's get started. Buspirone, also known by the brand name Buspar, is a medication that's primarily used to treat anxiety disorders. Unlike other anti-anxiety medications, it doesn't belong to the benzodiazepine family, which means it has a lower risk of dependency and sedation. Let's break down its benefits first. One of the main benefits of Buspirone is its effectiveness in reducing anxiety. It works by affecting neurotransmitters in the brain, particularly serotonin and dopamine, which play key roles in mood regulation. Unlike benzodiazepines, Buspirone doesn't cause significant sedation, making it a good option for those who need to stay alert during the day. Buspirone has a lower risk of addiction and dependence compared to benzodiazepines as well. Many users report clearer thinking and better cognitive function compared to other anti-anxiety medications. So, how exactly does Buspirone work? Well, Buspirone is a serotonin receptor agonist, which means it helps to regulate serotonin levels in the brain. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in mood, anxiety, and overall brain function. Buspirone primarily targets a serotonin 5-HT1A receptors. By stimulating these receptors, it helps to balance serotonin levels, which can alleviate symptoms of anxiety. Buspirone also affects dopamine receptors, which can contribute to its anti-anxiety effects without the sedative properties of other medications. Like all medications, Buspirone can have side effects. It's important to be aware of these so you can discuss any concerns with your healthcare provider. Some people may experience dizziness or a lightheaded feeling, especially when they first start taking the medication. Nausea and headaches are relatively common but often diminish as your body adjusts to Buspar. Paradoxically, some users might feel an increase in anxiety or restlessness initially. Buspirone is not suitable for everyone. Here are some situations where Buspirone might not be the best choice. If you have a known allergy to Buspirone or any of its ingredients, you should not take it. People with severe liver or kidney impairment should avoid Buspirone, as these organs are crucial for processing the medications. Do not take Buspirone if you are currently using MAO inhibitors or have used them in the last 14 days. This can lead to dangerous interactions. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult their doctor before starting Buspirone, as its safety in these conditions hasn't been fully established. There are a few special considerations to keep in mind when taking Buspirone. Buspirone needs to be taken consistently, usually at the same times every day, to maintain steady state levels in your bloodstream. I want to make it clear that this drug should never be used as needed. It only works if taken on a daily basis. You should avoid grapefruit and grapefruit juice, as these can interact with Buspirone, leading to potentially serious side effects. Now, unlike benzodiazepines, Buspirone doesn't provide immediate relief. It might take several weeks to feel the full benefits, so patience is crucial. Always let your healthcare provider know about all the medications you're taking, including over-the-counter drugs and supplements, to avoid any adverse interactions. And it's also a good idea to always go to the same pharmacy so they know what drugs you're already taking. Buspirone can be a great option for managing anxiety without the sedation and dependency risks associated with other medications. But, like any treatment, it's important to work closely with your healthcare provider to ensure it's the right fit for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. And as always, leave your questions and comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Pharmacist Michael. Be happy and be healthy.